Find or read reviews that people are talking about XTOOL J2534 Reprogramming Tool, XTS500, J2534, VCI Pass-Thru Programmer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. XTOOL J2534 Reprogramming Tool. 2025 XTOOL XTS500, J2534 Pass-Thru device supports latest dual CAN, CANFD, DoIP protocols. An automotive D-PDU, J2534, RP1210 standards. Ensuring broad compatibility for over 18 major vehicle brands including for Ford, for GM, for Acura, for Honda, for BMW, for Mercedes, for Subaru, for Audi, for VW, for Stellantis, for Toyota, for Lexus, for Scion, for Nissan, for Jaguar, for Land Rover, for Porsche, and for Hyundai. Advanced ECU Programming and Coding. Developed to vehicles ECU programming and coding. XTOOL XTS500, J2534 Pass-Thru tool can effectively access to the ECU across different vehicle makes and models. Working well with OE Diagnostic software to max up your car's capability, reprogram component after replacement, update vehicle's software, reset and calibration and more. All-in-one OE-level diagnostic tool. This XTS500, J2534 programming tool seamlessly integrates with supported OE diagnostic software, significantly enhancing your automotive repair and diagnostic capabilities to deliver a complete and authentic dealership-level experience. It provides all system diagnosis, ECU programming and coding, common maintenance services, active test, and more. Note: OE software is not included and needs separate subscription. Wired and wireless capability. XTOOL XTS500 J2534 offer two communication ways including Wi-Fi receiver and USB-C cable, with premium processor to enhance transmission speed. Connect with USB-C cable, 5.91 feet, to keep stable communication while doing ECU programming and coding. Also supports a wireless connection to your PC via Wi-Fi receiver, providing reliable operation with a signal range of over 32 feet for general diagnostic functions. One-click J2534 driver installation. With the XTOOL XTS500, J2534 device, vehicle diagnostics become a streamlined and precise process. Just download the official J2534 driver from XTOOL Tech to your computer. Next, connect the VCI to your vehicle's OBD port. Finally, establish the connection between the VCI and your PC via Type-C cable or Wi-Fi receiver. With these easy steps, you're ready to perform a wide range of diagnostic and programming functions with minimal setup. Note: supports only for Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.